I've been building something fun called Recipe Rescue. It's a small but powerful playground where cooking meets AI. It's basically the idea is simple. You just drop the ingredients you have, and AI will help you to come up with smart, creative recipe ideas. So let's test it out. It is like for the four different models that we are using in testing. So let's start it. So here, when you get start, the timer will got started, and also you get random ingredients here, uh, like soya sauce, rice. Here we have bell peppers, pasta, and tomatoes. So as you can see, the four models are getting just one by one. It will give you the recipe, and let's see how much scores it costs. Okay. So as you can see, it can also create the recipe generation, meal planning experiments, and a space for me to like test different AI prompting techniques. And it is still evolving, and at last you will get here the final rankings on the basis of the score. So here's the cloud sonnet will be the winner, and it is like still evolving, and I am through learning and iterating it as I go. If you're a fellow builder, learner, or an AI enthusiast, I'd love to get your feedback, thoughts, and on the future ideas, that your perspective can really help and shape where the project goes on. Check it out on GitHub, and feel free to explore, review, and contribute.